Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make a spicy fish stick wrap. Oh yeah! Now this is a fish stick. It's made from pollock fish and it comes from Alaska. Now it's coated with some panko and pre-fried. Look at that. Just a simple stick of fish. A fish finger or something like that, and we're gonna air fry it. Now grab your air fryer basket and put in some of those delicious fish sticks, and you can do as many as you want, but for 2 wraps 6 will do. Now they will go in the air fryer for about 12 minutes, and we're gonna turn them around halfway. Now they're ready. They're crunchy, they're delicious, and they already smell very fishy, but that's the idea. In a good way, of course. Now, let's make our wrap. Grab yourself a normal wrap. I'm gonna use this sriracha mayonnaise. It's really spicy, and I like that. For this wrap, 1 teaspoon will be enough. And just smear it in the middle. We're also gonna use some pickles. They're really delicious. Now our fish sticks, fish fingers, finger food, I don't know. Now I'm putting on 3. Some red onions go very well with it, just a little more spice. And some green lettuce. Oh yes, look at that, beautiful. Now we're gonna try and make the square fold. Now flip one side, the right side now, the left side, and we're gonna flip it over and try to keep it all in. And that's how you do the square fold. Isn't that a cool idea? I just made it up. And we're gonna cut it. Let's do it this way. Now we're gonna have a look inside. Oh yes, fish stick, sriracha, greens. Oh yes, and some red onions. This is gonna be delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my fish stick wrap. And as always, see you next time. And if you're new, then I hope you subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and leave me a comment. I really like reading and replying to your comments. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. See you there.